Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Nasril Akbar and I am excited to share a little about myself and my family with you. I was born and raised in Esmal, peaceful town where everyone knows each other. I am currently 15 years old and in my first year of high school. My life is full of activities, joys, and challenges, but I am always grateful of the experiences I feel and the people who have shaped my journey. I am Tejo. I am a student at SMK Nasatutulak, where I am known for being intelligent and friendly. Every day I wake up at 5:13 a.m. After I take shower, I help my mom prepare breakfast for the family. By 6:13 a.m., I am ready for school. I usually walk to school with my best friend, Faiz, who lives just next door. School starts at 7 a.m. and my favorite subjects are English and mathematics. I find them both challenging and rewarding. Now let me introduce you to the people who mean the most to my main family. My father's name is Nasibi. He is a hardworking man who works as a teacher. He is very disciplined and I admire his, especially on weekends we will often go on family outings. My mother's name is Misnawati. She is a loving and caring woman who works as a housemaid. She is the glue that holds our family together. I have one sibling, my younger sister, Suni Masuro. She is 10 years old and is in elementary school. Each member of my family has had unique facilities that the shaped on they are today. My mother, on the other hand, grew up in a big city. She had different achievements, such as the competitive. My mother, on the other hand, grew up in a big city. She had different challenges, such as the competitive nature of city life and the pressure to excel in everything she did. These experiences made her a strong and determined woman. She always encouraged my sister and me to do our best, no matter what ways goes to pursue. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.